Alright, hey guys, this is Anime Review. So this will be part one of my rose growing experiment. I'm going to be trying to grow roses from seed as I went to the local nursery and found this growing on a little rose bush. So I thought to myself, might as well give it a try. I know it's pretty difficult. A lot of people have trouble germinating rose seeds as they can be as they're not as hardy as most other plants. They seem to get rot a lot easier than everything else. They like to mold up and they never grow right. So I'm going to be trying it. Just going to give it a shot. Since there's not too many videos online about how to grow them, I'm going to see if I can do it. So what I'm going to use today is I have a sharp knife here to open up the rose hip of course. If you didn't know, rose seeds, this part of the rose, this was the flower, right here, that's where it was, and this part that swelled up is called the hip, and that's where the seeds are located, and you want to basically go ahead and harvest them when they turn an orange or a red color, like this one. Sometimes they're green, very rare. I have a Ziploc bag here, cup of water, some towel paper, and some hydrogen peroxide. So the reason why I have hydrogen peroxide here is because I want to make sure that my water solution is sterile, because when I put it in here, which is going to be the baggy method, when I put it in here, the seeds need to germinate and not basically develop any mold, and that's basically my goal here. A lot of people like to put on some special, what is it? I can't remember. It's something to help basically the seeds germinate without having any problems with mold or the black stuff that grows on the seeds and contaminates it and won't allow it to germinate. So I'm going to go ahead and start the procedure now. I'm just going to take the hip and I'm just going to basically go like this around the entire hip until I can get the hip open and we can extract the seeds. Okay, so went ahead and cut it. See what we got inside. Ooh, perfect. So there's only a couple seeds here. I thought there'd be a little more. It seems that we got two here, 2 or 3, if you can see that. So let's go ahead and take them out. Jeez, I should have got some more of these. I only saw a couple on that plant, but I thought only one would do. Here, let me go ahead and show you what the seeds look like. They should be a whitish color. Sometimes they're a brown or a black, but these are, since they're fresh, they are a white color. It's really pretty. Sorry, my phone won't focus. Well, anyways, you get the idea. So now we're just going to go ahead and get them ready. A lot of people like to put them in blenders in order to take the seed off, the seed coat. I'm not going to do that because I'm afraid it'll damage it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take our water now. Go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, and take some of our hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide shouldn't kill the seeds, but I'm just going to go ahead and add probably about a fourth to the solution. So it's about a 1 to 4, yeah. So hydrogen peroxide to water, 1 to 4 ratio. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just squirting it in. Okay, that should be good. So that should help the seeds not become contaminated with this black mold that keeps it from germinating, so hopefully that'll help a little bit with its germinating process. Alright, gonna set that off. Okay, and now I'm going to take the seeds, put them over next to the water while I get my bag ready. So I'm just going to open it up, like so, to get it ready. And I'm just going to take our paper towel and fold it once over, and then one more time. There we go. Put it in the bag, straighten it out, and there you have it. Our little rose germinating pad. So I'm just going to go ahead and take our water and pour a little bit in there. I don't want it to become drenched in there or flooded. I'm just going to put enough to where it dampens the towel. And as you can see, it's starting to spread throughout the towel, and it looks like we need a little more. And if you have any excess, you could just pour it out. And hopefully this helps. I mean, I've never been able to grow roses before. I actually did try them once, quite a while ago. And I had help from a man named Dave Bang, but I wasn't able to do so because just the roses didn't make it. I put them on top of some soil, but I guess they died from that rot again, that mold. And so it just didn't work out for me. But I'm giving it another go. So let me get my little seeds here, my little babies. And I'm just going to put them right in here. Doesn't matter about the spacing, but I'm just going to put them like, just going to space them apart like that. There we go. That should be good. I like to flatten it. I don't know why. Perfectionist, I guess. I'm just going to do that. And we're done. So that's basically it there. So this is the water hydrogen peroxide solution sitting on this paper towel. Hopefully it will help the roses germinate and thus prevent mold as well inside the bag while they basically stratify. I didn't mention that before, but I'm going to be taking this bag and putting it inside of my refrigerator at about 32 degrees, which it's set at now. And I'm just going to keep it in there for a couple weeks until January rolls around, and by then I should probably go ahead and make another update. I don't think they're going to sprout during then, but if they do, I will definitely make another video update of that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please post them down below. I will also be putting down below inside the description box my address if you want to send me things, if you want to send me a letter or send me some seeds. I would gladly appreciate it. And I will also include it in my next videos to come, so please look out for that down below. And don't forget to subscribe as always. And this is Anime Review. Thank you very much for watching, and stay posted for more updates. Thank you very much, and happy growing.